What's up, y'all? If you're new here, my name is Reese. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I did not mean to purchase these shoes. I actually thought these shoes were fugly. I didn't necessarily want these kicks. I didn't want these kicks at all. However, the only way for me to understand what the hype is all about when it comes to the whole Travis Scott Cactus Jack brand is to drink the Kool-Aid. You got to purchase it because you're not about to be able to just walk into Foot Locker or walk into Nike and get this shoe off the shelf and take a look at it or try it on your feet or what have you. I also have to preface this video by saying that I am not a Travis Scott fan. I do not listen to that man's music. I don't follow him on social media. I don't care about anything that he does. Like, I'm not a Travis Scott fan. I am a fan of footwear. I don't have the history on this sneaker at all. I don't own any of these, so I don't know how they fit, how they feel. I literally entered into this draw not expecting to get this sneaker and ended up getting it. So the packaging on the box, it says Jumpman in white, and then it has like this translucent T-Rex in red. On the top you have these, like, I don't know, these are kind of like exclamation marks or something like that, which is synonymous with the Cactus Jack logoing. As you know, it goes cactus down and then jack across. It makes a cross, and then there's these like exclamations that are at the top, not exclamation points but just exclamations. And then on the back it just says Jack. So yeah, like the box, I really like the box. I really like the effort that's put into like the packaging for this release. I think especially when you are going to charge people a lot of money. These shoes were $200. All right, so let's go ahead and take the top off. On the inside, bright red. Again, like beautiful packaging. Just so you can see, the inside is bright red of the box. So yeah, this is dope. If it was this colorway, I would rock with it. Like that brown and red goes somehow. And then you get a host of stickers. A lot of stickers in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 stickers. Alright, y'all, so this is my first time ever seeing these specific shoes in person ever. This must be what they're talking about when they say that that Jack graphic, maybe I'll put them like this, that Jack graphic is going to wear away over time. They're meaning the Jack on the bottom, which it looks like it's like painted on almost. So the more you wear them, of course, the more that's gonna like go down. This is also like a very interesting sole, because it looks like they made a regular sole and then before the sole was molded, they like put some plastic or paper on it or something like that and then like peeled it off. And so I'm wondering like how consistent the soles are across every single pair of shoes. I would assume that it's like different depending on which shoe you have. But in terms of the overall shape of the shoe, I do like this Velcro here. What are y'all doing with y'all straps? Do y'all take y'all strap out and just like rock it to the side like this? Because I used to do that for like my Air Force Ones and stuff, but that's when the strap was on the ankle. That would be how probably I would end up wearing them. The shoe also comes with a variety of laces I'm seeing too. So it comes laced up with the cream laces, but you also get these 3 laces right here. So you get 2 vaults. You get a plain vault colorway, and these are all flat laces, so you get a plain vault colorway. Then you get this speckled, like, it looks like a damn traffic cone or something like that. Like, you get that one, and then you get this black. I can assume a lot of people are probably gonna be wearing the black. I'm gonna lace them and see what it looks like with the black. This is what they look like with the black laces. What y'all think? Black or cream? I'm thinking of black, but yeah, as of right now, I would say go with the black laces. You're just gonna have to get used to all of the fibers and stuff like that that come with the leather. Even on a sneaker that I didn't do anything to, like around the collar of this sneaker, you kind of see some of the like lint and stuff like that, and that's just coming from the lace holes and stuff like that on the sneaker and some of the cuts of the materials that they use, like this nubuck suede in the back. Would y'all go cream or would y'all go black? Like I said, I'm leaning towards the black. Alright you guys, so this was my first ever look at the Jumpman Jack T-Rexes. The materials are premium, they're A1. The only other thing that I would mention about the sneaker that I was not a fan of is this strap being down here, because like I said, if you are somebody that has a wider foot or you have a fatter foot, I'm not sure that that strap is going to give you comfort. I think it's going to feel tight on the top of your toes, but if you have a narrow foot, that might not be something that you have to worry about, because you're not gonna feel it. But for the fat feet people, it might be tough. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on just to confirm my theory, but I'm thinking that that strap is not gonna be comfortable. So yeah, let's go ahead and transition to the on foot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up.
Alright y'all, so I was semi-correct. If you don't relace your sneakers, you will feel a bit of discomfort. The cream laces in the videos are factory laced, and when I put the shoe on with the Velcro strapped all the way up, I did feel a tad bit of discomfort. Now, it wasn't anything that was painful or that made me feel like I needed to take the shoe off immediately, but I will note that if you plan on doing a lot of movement or walking around, I would suggest relacing your sneakers and undoing that Velcro a bit. Once you break them in, it should be fine. No problems.
Okay y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed the on foot of this video. I've already given my key takeaway. Y'all go ahead and let me know what y'all think about the sneaker. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Can you see yourself rocking this sneaker? If Travis Scott was not associated with this sneaker at all, do you think it would be as hyped or sought after? Let me know in the comments what you think. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. This was my first look at the Jumpman Jack TR. I hope this review was informative and helpful to y'all if you're interested in purchasing this shoe. Peace.
Soft to the touch, let you hold something, let you get a handful, baby, she's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips, it's yours, baby, you can